So if you want to edit the background in removebg in 2026, yeah, it's actually super easy. You can remove it, replace it, or customize it in just a few clicks. First, go to removebg and upload your image. The tool will automatically remove the background for you. Now click the Edit button to enter background editing mode. This is where you can change how your image looks. Next, choose a solid color background like white, black, or any custom color you want. Now you can upload your own background image. This is useful for thumbnails, product photos, or creative designs. You can also move, resize, or reposition the subject so it fits perfectly in the new background. If you want a professional look, try blur or gradient backgrounds. They make the subject stand out more naturally. If anything looks off, use the Erase or Restore tool to fix edges like hair or object outlines. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your edited image in high quality. And that's it. Editing backgrounds in removebg is fast, simple, and perfect for creating clean professional images.